1. 400-million-year-old fish exposes big mistake in how we understood evolution. Researchers reanalyzed the skull musculature of coelacanths, a group of fish that has existed for 400 million years, and concluded that many structures had been incorrectly described. 2. Chinese scientists develop breakthrough catalyst for clean propane conversion. Scientists have pioneered a water and light-driven method for converting propane at near room temperature, opening the door to sustainable, low-energy catalysis. 3. Where did RNA come from? Scientists find a chemical clue. Scripps scientists show that ribose may have been nature's preferred sugar for building RNA, offering new insight into how life's molecular foundations may have formed before biology began. 4. Scientists develop plastic substitute that could fight ocean pollution. Biomedical engineers have developed a novel, ocean-safe biocompatible material that eliminates the risk of microplastic pollution. 5. This star exploded, and came back brighter than before. A dazzling new Hubble image reveals the spiral galaxy NGC 1309, nestled 100 million light-years away in the constellation Eridanus. 6. Scientists may have solved a puzzling space rock mystery that could change our understanding of how life began. Although carbon-rich asteroids are common in space, they account for less than 5% of the meteorites that reach Earth. To unravel this mystery, an international team of scientists launched a global investigation. 7. Astronomers stunned as mysterious flare repeats from same black hole 2 years later. A new discovery challenges the previously accepted understanding of how stars interact with black holes. 8. The shocking way your lettuce might be getting contaminated. Romaine lettuce has been linked to repeated E. coli outbreaks, but new research from Cornell University uncovers how contamination happens and how to stop it. 9. Cancer drugs show surprising power to reverse Alzheimer's in mice. A study that compared the gene expression profile of Alzheimer's disease with those triggered by 1,300 approved drugs identified a combination of 2 cancer medications as a potential treatment for the most common form of dementia. 10. Scientists warn, popular weight loss drugs like Ozempic fail to provide key long-term health benefit. Though GLP-1 drugs drive major weight loss, researchers warn they may fall short in improving heart and lung fitness. Protecting muscle mass may be key to unlocking their full health potential. 11. This tiny device could turn your phone into a lab-grade spectrometer. A team of engineers has unveiled a revolutionary mini spectrometer that can fit on a fingertip and operate with low voltage, scanning light from UV to near-infrared in under a millisecond. 12. Light versus light, the secret physics battle that could rewrite the rules. In a fascinating dive into the strange world of quantum physics, scientists have shown that light can interact with itself in bizarre ways, creating ghost-like virtual particles that pop in and out of existence. 13. MIT just proved Einstein wrong in the most famous quantum experiment. MIT physicists have performed the most precise version of the famous double-slit experiment, using ultra-cold atoms and single photons to reveal the strange dual nature of light as both wave and particle. 14. New design for bioplastics inspired by leaves increases tensile strength. 15. Google has made its most powerful AI video creator, Veo 3, available for everyone to use on its Vertex AI platform. 16. China doubles chooses AI self-reliance amid intense US competition. Shanghai has unveiled an ambitious 1 billion yuan, $139 million United States dollars, subsidy program for its artificial intelligence industry, marking the latest in the technological race as major cities in China engage in fierce AI competition for dominance. 17. Forget the Turing test, AI's real challenge is communication. Thanks for watching this video.